are going to discuss SOF Olympiads GK paper. So we are going to discuss chapter wise in each video. Today's chapter is Earth and its environment. Let's see the subtopics now. Mountains and water bodies, continents, weather and seasons, natural disaster, pollution, and the last topic here is conservation of environment. Let's see one by one in detail. Let's start with our first topic now, that is mountains and water bodies. Here few informations related to mountains, lakes, oceans, all those things are needed. Let's see the sample questions here so that you can understand better. Question number 1 is, what is the largest lake in the world? Options are Lake Superior, Mediterranean Sea, Lake Victoria, and Caspian Sea. The right option here is option D, Caspian Sea. That is the largest lake in the world. The area of this lake is 3,71,000 square kilometer. Next question is, which is the tallest mountain? The options are Himalaya, Mount Everest, Mount Kilimanjaro, and Kanchenjunga. The right option here is Mount Everest. This is the tallest mountain. Next topic is about continents. So the information related to all the continents and countries are helpful here. Let's see some sample questions now. Question number 1, which is the smallest continent by population? The options are Antarctica, Asia, Africa, and South America. The right option is Antarctica. And Antarctica is the only continent with no permanent human habitation. Next question is, Colombia belongs to which continent? The options are Asia, Australia, South America, and Antarctica. The right option here is South America. Colombia is in South America. Let's move on to the next topic, that is weather and seasons. It's time to see the sample questions now. First question is, the difference between the maximum and minimum temperature of a day is called dash. The options are terrestrial range of temperature, annual range of temperature, diurnal range of temperature, and none of the above. The right option here is diurnal range of temperature. Second question is, what is the phenomenon of increasing average temperature of the earth is called? The options given are volcanic eruption, global warming, forest fires, none of the above. The right option here is option B, global warming. Let's move on to the next topic now. Next topic here is natural disaster. So let them understand all the natural disasters that occur. Now let's see some sample questions. Question number 1, dash is the shaking of the surface of the earth. The options are flood, earthquake, volcano, and drought. The right option here is earthquake. Earthquake is the shaking of the surface of the earth. Next question is, what happens in case of floods? Options are, diseases may spread, dirty water may get mixed with clean water, some animals may drown, and last option is all of this. The right option here is option D, all of these. Next topic here is pollution. So it would be helpful for the kids if they understand different kinds of pollutions. Let's see the sample questions now. Question number 1. Which of these causes noise pollution? Options are burning leaves, sewage, loudspeaker, none of the above. The right option is loudspeaker. As you know, loudspeaker causes noise pollution. Next question is, what kind of pollution is shown in the picture? Options are air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution. The right option here is water pollution. The last topic here is about conservation of environment. So let's see the sample questions here. Question number 1. Which of these help us to keep the environment clean? Options are throwing waste into covered dustbins, planting more trees. Option C is both A and B, and option D is none of these. The right option here is option C, both A and B. So both these options helps us to keep the environment clean. Next question. Protecting our planet starts with you. Which one will you choose from the given options? Options are using more bulbs in one room. Option B, using steel water bottles. Option C, using shower for bathing. And option D, using more disposable items. The right option here is option B, using steel water bottle. That's it for today. Our next chapter in the next video. So let's meet again. Bye bye.